Hey everybody, and thanks for joining Mr. Ceramic at Davis Family Shines. We're over here in, what is it? Lake Don Pedro, California. And we are looking at the brand new 2022 ZX-14. And it just so happens that this thing came with a manufacturer's defect here on the exhaust, a big scrape, and it feels like it went pretty deep. But we're gonna see what we can do over here at Mr. Ceramic with some rubbing alcohol, 91%, to see what kind of transfer white. The white is what I'm focusing on here, is try to take off the white part. So that was the transfer. And here we go. A little bit more, trying to be soft with it. I'm not pushing hard. I'm just using the alcohol to dissipate the paint transfer. That was the white, whatever it hit, whether it be a box or something. These things are brand new, so you don't even want to touch them with a really very bad contaminated rag or anything like that. It's like, you know, you take care of that paint transfer. The next step that we're going to do here is we're going to hit it with some polish, and we're going to see what kind of luster we can bring back, because you can see a little bit of a paint luster. And I think what we're seeing here, looking at it, is there is a little bit of loss of the clear, whatever's on the outside there from the transfer. So, you know, that happens whenever you start transferring stuff. So, all right, thanks for joining Mr. Ceramics, and please hit that subscribe button.